Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the question 2 of the exercise 4.4 of quadratic equation. So in this question, we have to find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So this is the case where the roots are equal to each other, alpha is equal to beta. This is the situation where the value of d, the discriminant, is equal to 0. So we would equate b square minus 4ac with 0 and then the value would be open to us. So now let's start with the solution. So for the first part, we have the equation as 2x square plus k of x kx plus 3 is equal to 0. And now since we are given that the roots are equal, therefore d is equal to 0. But we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So from these two equations, what we get is that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And now from this particular equation, we are going to put the values and equate them to 0. So you can see that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means that b square is equal to 4ac. So here b square is k. So k square minus 4 into a here is 2. As you can see, coefficient of x square is a. So 4 into 2 into the constant term 3. So k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. This implies that k square is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So k square is equal to 24. Therefore, value of k is equal to root 24 and this is equal to 2 root 6. So we have found the value of k for the first equation. Now let's move on to the second one. So for the second equation, we have kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So as you can see, this is not a direct quadratic equation. You will have to open the brackets and do the multiplication first. So now let's multiply it. Here kx into x will give you a kx square and kx into minus 2 will give you a minus 2kx plus 6 as it is equal to 0. And now we'll find the value of d. So as you know, d is equal to 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac would be equal to 0. So here our b is 2k. Coefficient of x, just keep out this x away, and here you have minus 2k and you have to find minus 2k whole square. So this would be 4k square. 4k square minus of 4 into a, that is k, into c, that is 6. So this comes out to be 4k square minus 4 6 are 24, so 24k, and this is equal to 0. We can divide both by 2s, 4 1s are 4 6s are. So you get that k square minus 6k is equal to 0. You can take out 6 as common. So 6 as common. So you are left with k minus 6. So k is equal, either this first k out of the bracket would be equal to 0 in order to get the value of zeros. So these two are the two factors, k and k minus x. This gives us a value of 0 and this gives us a value of positive 6. Either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to positive 6. But there comes the catch. K cannot be equal to 0 because if the k is equal to 0, so it would become 0x square. So this equation would degrade from a quadratic equation to a linear equation. And therefore k cannot be equal to 0 and the only possible value of k is equal to 6. So this is the exact value. So this was the solution for this question, and I'll meet you in the next video with the next solution. Till then, bye.